Hello guys and welcome to another amazing lesson with Amazing. In today's video, we'll be covering 3 more commonly used phrasal verbs. Actually, this is a sequel to the first video that we produced on phrasal verbs. So if you haven't already watched it, I highly recommend you to go back, watch it, and then start watching this video. You can access that video clicking on the link above. As you can remember, we have already talked about what a phrasal verb is, how, where, and why it is used. We also mentioned that a phrasal verb is mostly used in informal situations and casual context. Of course, you can use it in academic writing and academic essays, but it's more common to use them in everyday speaking. But for the time being, I won't get into the details because you can find further information in the first video. But now let's jump into today's phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs with give, the first test. Let's see. This old car will finally give out, give up, give away. Well, it's definitely the first choice, give out, because give out means stop working or stop functioning. If a machine or if a device gives out, it means it no longer works properly. For example, my iPod gave out yesterday. It simply means it stopped working yesterday. But why not give up and give away? Because give up means stop having hope for something or trying your best for achieving your goals. And give away means reveal a secret. For example, none of the committee members should reveal the confidential information. I hope you could ace the first test, and let's go for the next one. Test number 2. Don't the surprise party. Give away, give back, give in. Just like I explained in the previous test, it is give away because we should not reveal the secret and the timing of the event of the surprise party, right? So do not give away the surprise party. Well, give back and give in. Give back simply means to return something. Somebody gives you some money and then you give it back to them. And give in is a synonym to give up. You lose hope, you start trying for something. Ready for the next one? Let's go. Even if you're tired, you shouldn't give out, give up, give off. Of course, you shouldn't give up. You should never lose hope on your dreams. Don't quit. Don't stop. You already know the meaning of give out, but give off means to produce heat, light, or gas. Give off. For example, the lamp gives off a lot of light. Here comes the second part, phrasal verbs with one. Test number 1. I ran away, ran into, ran up my old friend at the supermarket yesterday. I ran into my old friend because it means I visited them unexpectedly. I saw them on the street. I did not expect this. A runaway means escaping from something. If a dog starts following you and running after you, then you would have to run away. And run up simply means increase. For example, the price of crude oil in the recent years has run up. Get ready for the next one, test number 2. Be careful not to run over, run down, run out the cat with your car. Run over the cat. When you run over something, it means you step over them or you drive over them. Run down, as you can guess, it means decrease. And run out means to finish something totally or use it up. For example, we have run out of sugar in the house. We are running out of time. Last test for run, test number 3. The children ran away, ran across, ran up when they saw the police officer. Just as explained before, ran away. They escaped the police officer. But about the next 2 choices, ran across. Ran across is somehow synonym to run into, meet somebody by chance. And run up, increase. Part 3, phrasal verbs with get. Test number 1. The teacher tried to get ahead, get across, get by her point to the students, but they didn't seem to understand. Get across her point to the students. When you get across a point or a tip, It means you make other people understand what you're talking about. Make it clear. Get ahead means to make progress or succeed in something, and get by means to manage a hard situation or survive through difficult times. Sit tight, we're going for the next test. Test number 2. We need to get along, get away, get behind with each other if we want this project to succeed. Haha, get along, to have a good relationship with somebody. We need to get along with each other. It means we need to have a nice relationship, a cooperation with each other. Get away means to escape or go on a vacation. For example, we can say the criminal band managed to get away with all the money they stole. And get behind means to fall behind, not to succeed or to lag in a process. The last test, I'm trying to get over, get together, get ahead. The flu, but I still feel terrible. Oh, that's right. I'm trying to get over the flu because you are trying to recover from something or you are trying to get over a bad memory. If you have a breakup with somebody, then after some time you would have to get over it. Get together means to meet up with people, assemble. And get ahead means to make progress or succeed. Okay, that's it guys. We went through some tests together and you could test your knowledge of these phrasal verbs. I hope it would have been useful for you. And just a quick tip, if you want to sound like a pro while communicating with other people, I need you and I want you to try to use these phrasal verbs in everyday speaking English. And finally, if you feel like you need any specific content to be reviewed or taught in these videos, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more and have a nice time.